was watching one of those TV shows with actors in that no one knows. When suddenly out of the blue I knew exactly what to do. Yeah, I knew what was our destiny. Times of trouble, can't you see? I knew that love could conquer overall. Get on board, we're on a trip. We'll show you how you can handle it. Sing it. Catch the train. That's in your Love Station Channel 22 can tune you into what to do. Act your parts out in the script, cause you could be the star of it. Yeah. Really life's no mystery.